Hey, now good morning. This is Bowie with Second Income Solutions, your solution to a second income. How to accelerate your affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular and profitable business opportunities available today. And if you're new to it, the first thing you should do is get some basic training. And you should be able to start your affiliate marketing business within a week. When your affiliate marketing website is up and running, don't do the same mistake that I did and most new marketers do. You'll start making money as soon as you put links on it. Well, unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. And you should be aware that your affiliate marketing business is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Here are some benefits of starting an affiliate marketing business and how to be successful at affiliate marketing. Before the business begins, once your affiliate website is properly set up, begin learning some basic on-site search engine optimization skills and focus on content creation by writing numerous articles for it. Conduct keyword research on specific niche for which the website is intended so that your content can include some of these keywords. However, don't be too concerned about ranking in search engines because most new websites go through a probation period known as Google Sandbox. During this time, you won't see your website listed in Google. You should use this time to learn everything you can about affiliate marketing programs that interest you and to purchase new relevant ebooks and training to aid in experiments and research. They're extremely beneficial in advancing your learning curve. And once your company begins, most people who quit their affiliate marketing business do so within the first 6 months. If you're still in business, you're a serious internet marketer. You should see some traffic to your website after a couple of weeks of creating content on-site SEO in mind and using chosen keywords. You can be certain that now is a good time to join some affiliate programs and experiment to see which one works best for your affiliate business. One of a good affiliate marketing program that I recommend is Legendary Marketer. Do you want to know exactly how to make income from anywhere in the world? To get your free affiliate marketing training, click the link in the description. And to learn more, go to secondincomeFromScratch.com, which is in the description. Watch the free quick start video. Just follow the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Second Income Solutions. A Second Income Solution, your solution to a second income.